y'all? Welcome back. Thanks so much for tuning in. I know it's been a minute, but your girl is back. Hey, how y'all doing? Tell mama and them I said what up, damn. Anywho, check it out. Melody Susie did send this gift box over to me. We're going to open this box up together and look at the contents. Let's see what we have here. Y'all know me. Look at the box. Y'all know I'm a sucker for packaging. And look at this box. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, don't even worry about it. It's going up on my display. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So I'm going to be very careful opening up this box. Okay? So give me a second. Oh, they packaged this so well. Okay, Melody Susie. Good. All right, y'all. Well, let's see what we have here. Melody Susie Fleurwee. Beautiful card. Okay, check it out. I wonder, can you scan this here for something? Oh, it says scan the QR code for more surprise gifts. Can y'all scan it through the camera? Get you some. I don't know, girl. I don't know how that works. Anywho, girl, I like the bottles. They are so pretty. Oh, all right. We got four. What's this? 4 colors. Look at these pretty little bottles. These are so cute. Oh, this is a pretty color here. Oh my goodness. That's like a nice peach floral color. And then you have this. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness gracious alive. Hold on, y'all. Oh, y'all. And it also comes with a vase. I'm assuming this is the vase. This is another color. Look at this pretty color. Oh my goodness. Look at that beautiful baby blue. All right, Melody Susie, let it do what it do. I got rhymes over here, y'all. Oh, look at this pretty little pastel pink. Beautiful. All right, girl, look. And this is the cute little vase. Now, let's see how these flowers are supposed to go in here. It say, pull me up, unlock the layers of enjoyment. Oh, look at the stickers. I got some stickers, guys. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, look at them green. Girl, these are so beautiful. All right, Melody Susie. Then it also have a nail art brush set. Oh, I like this. I like this. Oh, look at these brushes. Oh, girl, look. Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on, girl. Hold on. Never can have too many brushes in your collection. These are beautiful. I love the little pastel colors, girlfriend. And they got Melody Susie. Got the name all on them. You know it. You know it. Oh, but look at there. Got a striper. This is a striper. Girl, hold on. Hold on, I know I'm supposed to be getting to the nail design, y'all. But just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. I'm excited over here. Oh, it comes with this striper thingy here on this end. Look at that. Beautiful for nail art, girl. And a dotting tool. OMG. Hold on. Oh, wow. Look at this long striper, girl. This is what we need. This is what we need. Look. Girl, you ain't got one of these here in your collection. What you doing? What you doing? Everybody need one of those, girl. You doing some nails? You gonna need one of those. All right, Melody Susie. Then it has the brush here that goes around to clean up. Excuse my nails. I know they a little bit on the funky side, but we about to do them. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about all that. You're doing too much worrying about the wrong things. Anyway, look. Nice, beautiful cleanup brush. If you want to clean up your little French nail tip design. Y'all know. Sure. I ain't got to tell y'all. Y'all already know. Anyway, look. Oh, we got another. Oh, this is a little 3D, like to make the 3D flowers, girl. Look at this brush. Oh, this is so nice. Dang, Melody Susie. When y'all start showing out for the people like this. I love this. Look at these brushes, girl. This is another one right here, our detail brush. Get out of here. Hold on. Then you got another gel brush with a striper. With a girl. You know what I'm talking about. With a little dotting tool on the end. Look at this. Oh, man. Melody Susie, y'all done showed out. Hold on, girl. Hold on. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brushes with 2 dotting tools on the end. Girl. All right, Melody, Susie, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Spoiler sister over here. Spoiler sister over here. Aww. Then it comes with the little flowers that you can put in your little vase right here. Hold on, girl. Then you put your little flowers all in your little vase right here. Oh, these are fresh flowers. Hold on. I have to have a seat, girl. These some real flowers. Yeah, these are real flowers. But you put them in your vase like that. Oh. Girl, I might have to add some water. This your little vase. Look at that kid, yeah. That kid, yeah. That's kid. Oh, yeah, I'm going to put some water in here. Girl, I'm going to sit this on my desk. Representing Melody Susie. You heard me. Anyway, girl, let's go ahead and get ready with this little nail design. I hope y'all just as excited as I am because I'm excited. All right, I'm filling up my little vase here with some water. Yeah, hold on. Add some more water. Right. Now I'm going to add my flowers. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? Now I'm going to set it over here to the side. Right to my little nails. Oh, I do my little nails.